Happy Labor Day. When we were trying to figure out where we could be, we all said, let's go to Cleveland.
Huffington Post, where I was a contributor, they have revoked my publishing access and they've deleted both of my articles. And both of those articles mentioned Hillary's health.
Every time I think about Trump, I get allergic. Boy, we have 63 days to go.
Doing great? That's not how conspiracy theorists see it. Conspiracy theorists are also obsessed with Clinton's cough on the campaign trail. Conspiracy theorists have cooked up just about every condition for her.
Thank you. Whoa.
All of this despite a letter released in July last year from Clinton's internist of 15 years. Dr. Lisa Bardak describing Clinton as healthy, listing her medical conditions as hypothyroidism and seasonal pollen allergies. The doctor ended the letter saying Clinton is in excellent physical condition and fit to be president of the United States.
In addition to thanking Marcia Fudge, also thank your great Senator Sherrod Brown. Also, excuse me. Also, two other great members of Congress, Tim Ryan and Joyce Beatty. And your mayor, thanks to Mayor Jackson. And I hope that Ohio will send Ted Strickland to the Senate. Now,